Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send the feedback to the developers in the Airpaz application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and you will find there 3 lines. Press on them. After doing so, you will see here the third option on the list, which is send feedback. After you press on it, first you have to select an emoji which kind of reflects your experience with this app. For example, I'm just going to select the 4. And here you can write basically anything that is on your mind about the app. I don't know, like it's really great. And after you are done with it, just press submit and your entire message will be sent to the developers. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.